What are drawings that you have heard of in accounting or bookkeeping? Drawings is whatever you take out of your business account that you use for personal use. What is personal use? Anything that has nothing to do with a bank account. When you buy stuff for your house, when you want to buy a gift for someone, when you want to buy groceries, those are personal expenses. Anything that you spend money on that has nothing to do with the business, but you take the money from the business account, that is drawings. Expenses is when you spend the money in your business on business related expenses, which means your cell phone account, stationery, fuel, things that you need to run your business. Those are expenses. So to recap the difference between expenses and drawings, expenses are the money that you spend in your business on business related stuff. Drawings is when you take money out of your account for personal use. And that in a nutshell is the difference between drawings and expenses.